Legal dictation, civil petition, speed 113 wpm, total words 400, recorded by Rizwan Ansari. Ready, start. Which was accordingly done when Miss Saima Jamil was recommended stop. As to the petitioner's other ground that vacancy in Foreign Service Group on merit quota was wrongly created in competitive examinations 2010 on account of lack of requisite fraction, and such fraction for that year ought to have been carried forward for creating vacancy in competitive examination 2011, the Federal Public Service Commission maintained that after allocation of the fraction for competitive examination 2010, the same was sufficient to create one vacancy on merit quota in Foreign Service Group for the Gilgit-Baltistan FATA region stop. Thus, the Commission came to the conclusion that no right of the petitioner was infringed in the selection process stop. The petitioner challenged the decision of the Commission before the High Court in appeal, which was dismissed stop. Feeling aggrieved, this petition has been filed stop new para to present his case, the petitioner appeared in person and argued the same grounds which he argued before the Federal Public Service Commission as well as before the High Court stop. As the petitioner was conscious of the fact that the vacancy in question has already been filled with the selection of Miss Sama Jamil, he sought creation of a supernumerary vacancy so that he could be accommodated stop. For the creation of supernumerary post, he cited a precedent of an officer whose services were transferred by the Commission from Railway Service to Inland Revenue Service in pursuance of a judgment of the Federal Service Tribunal, Karachi, in spite of the fact that there was no vacancy stop. We also heard the counsel and representative of the Commission and examined the record stop new para. The state of the Federal Public Service Commission on the first ground was that where a seat allocated to a particular quota is not taken and falls vacant after the training has commenced, then it is carried forward to the next competitive examination as a vacancy available against the same quota stop. This is exactly that was done in the present case, as is evident from the statement of allocation of vacancies for competitive examination 2011 stop. This statement shows that in each group vacancies are to be created on merit quota, women's quota and minorities quota, depending upon the sufficiency of the fraction available for each of the three categories stop. Where a vacancy is created for a particular quota of the group, if the candidate to whom it is allocated fails to avail it, then it is to be filled by a candidate of the same category and cannot be allocated to a candidate who is eligible for